Hello dear students, this is problem number 4 of Engineering Mechanics Statics 9th edition, chapter number 4. Okay, so this is the truss which is loaded at point A, 4 kilonewton. Okay, so first of all you have to draw free body diagram, but I have just solved in this from this step. Okay, the next step will be free body diagram, but I start from this. Okay, so first of all you have to find angle between AE and AB. So uh, you have studied already that tangent theta equal to opposite side this divided by adjacent side or rise divided by fall. You can say that rise divided by fall. Tangent theta equal to 3 divided by 3, and theta will be equal to tangent inverse 3 by 3. So the angle between AE point AE and AB will be, when you calculate on calculator, it will come 45 degree. Okay, so this angle will be 45 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this is also 45 degree. You can also use this formula for finding this and this angle. This is also because it's 3 meter and 3 meter, this angle will be 45 degree, and this angle also will be 45 degree, and this will be 90 degree. Okay, also this will be also 45 degree and 90 degree. Okay, the step which is uh, required for the first step is we have solved all the angles between the members. Okay, we will solve this question by using joint method. So first I will take this joint A, because there is at least one noun force and maximum two unknown forces. That's why I use this joint, and I analyze first joint A. Joint A. Okay, so I will draw it in XY plane. This is my X plane, this is my X and Y plane, and this is my joint A. Okay, this is force, this force, and this will be the horizontal force will be this, and the vertical force which is loaded 4 kilonewton will this 4 kilonewton, and I assume that this force is in tension, and the force in member A E also in tension. I assume these forces that are in tension. So first I resolve this component, this force into its component. So I turn to the next page. I take this force F, force of AB, force of member AB. This is the resultant force, force of member AB. Okay, and this is its horizontal component and its vertical component. F AB cos 45 and F AB sin 45. Okay, Now summation of all forces in X equal to horizontal, all horizontal forces will equal to 0. Establish this equation. So uh, horizontal force, where is horizontal force? This is the horizontal force. F, force of member AE, force of member AE. Okay, this is directed toward left, right will taken as positive, the force directed toward left will taken as negative. So if A positive AE, and there is one other force which is component of this resultant force, uh, F AB cos 45. I will take this plus F AB cos 45 degree equal to 0. Okay, so let's say this is my equation 1. Now summation of all forces, all vertical forces equal to 0. Summation of all forces in y equal to 0. So this is my one force, 4 kilonewton, which is the force direct toward down will taken as negative, the force direct toward up will taken as positive. Okay, so negative 4 kilonewton, and the one force is the component of this force is that FAB positive, FAB sine 45. These two forces, only these two forces are showing now equal to 0. So FAB equal to 4 divided by sine 45. If you solve it on calculator, it will come 5.66 kilonewton. The answer comes with a positive sign. It means that our assumption was right. This force, the force in member AB is in tension. Okay, I put this equation, equation 2, for example, put 2, equation 2 in 1. This is equation, for example, this is equation 1. So I put FAB 5.66. So FAE FAE plus FAB cos 45. FAB cos 45 degree equal to 0. FAE equal to negative. FAB is 5.66 kilonewton cos 45. If you solve it on calculator, FAE will equal to negative 4 kilonewton. So it means that the answer with the negative sign means that our assumption was wrong. This is in compression. Okay, now we analyze giant E because there is one noun force and two unknown force. One is this, one this. There is two unknown forces of the member and one noun force of the member. Okay, so I take joint E, joint E. I draw it in XY plane. This is E and one is vertical, two is horizontal. I assume that this force in this member is in tension, and I assume that force in this member is also in tension, and this is this force AB is in tension also. Okay, so summation of forces in horizontal forces equal to 0. This is F A E. This is F E E B E B, and this is F E D. F force at member E D. Okay, now F negative F A E plus F E D equal to 0. F E D will equal to positive. I will move. I move AE here, and the answer of AE is negative 4 kilonewton. Negative 4 kilonewton. Okay, so FE D equal to negative 4 kilonewton. It means that this sign means that this force is in compression. Our assumption was wrong. This is in compression. Okay. Now I take summation of all forces, vertical all forces equal to 0. So there is only one vertical force FED FEB equal to 0. Okay. Now I analyze joint B. Joint B, because in joint B there is noun force. This is also noun force. These two forces are unknown. Okay. Joint B, I will write it on another page, next page, so it will be easy for me. Write it in XY plane, Y, and one is there and the other force is this. The other force is there and this. This is joint B. Joint B, and this is force in member BC. BC, force in member BD, and this is force in member B E. This is force in member B A. Okay, this is all forces, and I assume that all forces are tension in tension. Okay, so first of all, summation of f of x equal to 0, all horizontal forces equal to 0, and summation of f of y equal to 0, all vertical forces equal to 0. Directed up will taken as positive, directed down will taken as negative, and first of all I solve this equation. So first I want to uh, resolve it into component, these two forces into its component. This is my force F BD, and this is its vertical component and this is its horizontal component. F BD cos 45, F BD sin 45. Okay, and I also resolve it into its component. This is my force and this is its vertical component and this is its horizontal component. Okay, so F, this is FBA, FBA cos 45, FBA sin 45. It will be easy for me now. So first vertical force is FEB or BE. FBE negative FBE, and this is also FBD sin 45, negative FBD sin 45 and negative FBA sin 45, negative FBA sin 45 equal to 0. Sorry, also this is also vertical force FEB. So okay, I take it there. So FBE is, I solve it first earlier. FBE is equal to 0. Now it is 0. FBD is negative FBD equal to, I move to the right side of this equation, plus FBA or AB sin 45 divided by, I divide it sin 45. It will cancel each other. So FBD will equal to negative FBA. What is the value of FBA? We solve this AB 5.66 kilonewton. So negative 5.66 kilonewton. The negative sign means that our assumption was wrong. This is in compression. Okay. Now students, we find the force in member BD, which is negative 5.66 kilonewton. Sorry, this is in compression, this show only compression. And also we find the force in member BE, which is 0. These two member forces are asked in our question. Okay, so it's done. Thank you very much.